Okay, we're headed to the Indiana property. Gonna be doing some doe management. This is the property where I shot a nice buck on November 1st, and I have not hunted it since then. Camera died. Basically, gonna go sit over a food plot tonight. Tomorrow's supposed to be pretty warm, so I'm kind of hoping to hit the food tonight. And tomorrow, I don't think they will as much. Hopefully, smack a couple, tag out in Indiana, not worry about that, and then I can focus my last bit of season on Michigan and try to tag out there too. So alrighty, y'all, we got up here. We got about 2 hours of light left. We're sitting over a food plot. Coming in to set up, I jumped up 12 doe about 50 yards out in this food plot, all bedded. I think they're all bedded. Anyways, they got up, looked at me for a little bit, and then kind of took off a little bit. Not like they didn't seem too spooked, but definitely spooked them a little bit. I'm hoping either a couple of those come back or some different ones. I know there's a lot of doe on this property, so that's not all of them, but it definitely needs to be managed a little bit. So basically that's what we're here to do. I seen a deer, I don't know, 150 yards. I don't know whether it's a doe or a buck, but I'm thinking it was a doe, and there's a good chance she'll follow a trail out to this food before dark. Smoked her. She just went down. Alrighty, y'all. It's kind of getting dark. I mean, I can still see really good, but alrighty, we're gonna go in, look for the arrow. There is the arrow. Looks pretty good. Good gosh. Here is the arrow, full deployed, and you can see the blood spraying out. Came back, jumped over there, came through here, blood all over. Blood. There she is. Put a perfect shot on her. She didn't go more than, I think, when I ranged it, she went like 30 yards. But it's pretty awesome. Got a deer down. Good clean kill. It's always great when that happens too. But, yeah.